Students to be able to write stories, you must first choose the stories you want them to write. The student will then connect to and see the stories you have selected to appear in their space. If this is the first connection, a tour of the application is going to be offered to the student. Stories are divided into classics and fictional stories. When the student clicks on a story, a pop-up will open and present the summary of the story. The students can listen to the story if they prefer. The student will then need to click Start Writing. Then they will be able to see their story and listen to the story if they need to. The directions are given at their own pace, so they click Continue when they are ready to move forward. Then the students will begin writing. At each stage, the students will be given the opportunity or the scaffolding to consult vocabulary aids, sentence starters to engage in their writing, and at the end of each chapter or stage, the student moves on by clicking on Next. As they write, the student earns badges that they can consult or pass on. They are also offered the opportunity to go train on the dojo when they finished a chapter. At the end of the story, the student clicks on I'm finished. They're asked if they liked the story and what they liked about it. To send the story to their teacher, the student clicks on Submit. Thus, you will see the student's writing appear in the correction space. A small pencil in the upper right-hand corner will indicate that a story is being written.